Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the chords piano accompaniment to Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. So I will sing just as a reference point, and I have left in the description where you can find the full chords and lyrics. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of G major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of G major. So the chords we're using are based around these notes. Here is middle C as a reference. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. It's the same chord progression the whole way through the song, so it's a really good one for beginners. There's lots of chord inversions in there as well, so it's a good one to practice those. And we're going to play the chords the same way throughout the whole song. So we start with the intro. So if I just play what I'm going to teach you without singing. We are mimicking the ooh that we hear throughout pretty much the whole song. We're voicing the top note of the chords based on those vocals. The first chord is G, so the roots chord. So I'm going to play G and D in the left hand first. In the right hand I'm going to play G major first inversion, so that's B, D and G. So we have 1, 2, and then I'm going to play D major. So if you can't stretch octaves in the left hand, just play a single D, or you can play D and A, so that's an option. So we have in the right hand the second inversion of D major, so it's A, D, F sharp, and then we have A minor root position, so A and E in the left hand, and then A, C, E in the right hand. So from the beginning we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I play the A chord 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go back to that G chord again, so left, right, D major, and then this time we have C major. So you can either play C's in the left hand or C and G. In the right hand we have second inversion of C major, so that's G, C, E. And you can occasionally repeat the left hand notes or chords between the right hand chords. So altogether we have that's how I'm going to play the whole song. So I'm just going to demonstrate. the song just fades out, but if you wanted to make it sound finished, you could just end on that G chord, or that inversion, any version of G you like. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.